Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kola. For the newcomers and for the returning subscribers, welcome. And if you have not subscribed, you are missing a lot. I normally share videos about natural skincare using natural ingredients that you can easily find them in your kitchen without wasting much time. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll not miss any of my videos. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I normally do my skin so it can stay clear and spotless. So I found this amazing video so that I can share with you. So stay tuned till the end so you can know how to keep even your skin. You can see mine is spotless, clear, without pimples, without dark spot, without marks. Okay, I might have some small marks around here, and somewhere here, but those are the birthmarks. Okay, but how can you keep your skin spotless using just natural ingredients that you can easily find them in your kitchen, as in homemade skincare that will make your skin clear, spotless, and will make you glow without no time and without wasting much money or use less money. So stay tuned so that you can know how to keep your skin spotless. Welcome to this video. So the first thing that I'll be using is a tomato. I've washed my face. After washing or cleansing your face, you can also use a tomato. Why do you use a tomato? A tomato is a great vitamin. It has vitamin C, and it's a natural bleach that will not leave your skin looking bad, or that will not leave your skin with blemishes, or that will clear dark spot, pimples, and also the dark inner eyes ear. So stay tuned. So I'm going to use this tomato. You just rub a tomato on your skin like that in circular motions. As you can see, the way I'm doing, I'm just rubbing the tomato on my skin in circular motion. It is also safe to rub it under the eye because it will also help you remove the dark circles around the eyes. So I normally do like that. Before I wash it, I normally use another great source of vitamin C that you don't know. You might be knowing it's great for face, but you don't know if it's a great natural bleach. And it's also a great natural source of vitamin C that will help your skin glow. So the ingredient is a lemon. If you have a sensitive skin, don't use lemon direct to your skin, but you can dilute it with distilled water or just normal water. After that, you apply on your skin. If you want this method to be effective to you, just you do it regularly. After that, just use a good moisturizer. We'll come to that later. Let's continue to where we were. We were in this natural ingredient that will lighten up your skin very well without leaving blemishes or leaving other parts dark. So that fruit, can I call it a fruit? Can I call it what? It's a lemon. So instead of mixing it in a boil or just doing it or grating it into a boil, I normally use them directly. So after applying tomato, I normally apply lemon, just like that. But if your skin is sensitive, as I've said, please dilute the lemon juice first. So instead of going to bleach your skin, I don't know to use what products. This is the natural ingredient that will lighten up very well. Will lighten up your skin very well, despite the. It doesn't matter. Is it your face? Is it your underarms? Is it your inner thighs? Is it your whatever you want to use it? Just use it. Safe. This is the safest way to bleach your skin if you want to bleach your skin. So let's continue. You just evenly apply it on your skin, just the way I'm doing it. After that, leave it for 15 minutes, then wash off. So I'm going to leave it for 15 minutes, then I'll come back with the most part of it that will lighten up your skin with no time. So stay tuned. Don't go away. Wait for that what? That scrub that is coming that will lighten up your skin and make you glow, that you'll never ever think of bleaching, but use this my method. Stay tuned, guys. Hey, let me share with you the secret of becoming beautiful without using much money. You may use a lot of money buying this product, using this product, but you see this one. See this one? This will make your skin glow. If you can use this scrub just even once a week, my friend, you'll come with a testimony. So this scrub it's containing green tea. It's also containing coconut oil. It's also containing a tomato juice, lemon juice, and also a bicarbonate soda. What is that? A baking soda. So as you know, a baking soda is a good, it's a good exfoliator. So I'll be telling you the benefits of the each ingredient as I scrub my face. So guys, green tea is a good source of antioxidant, and also it will remove blemishes from your skin. Dark skin will also brighten your dark skin. It will also, the green tea part, it will also tone and also minimize the large pores. Have you met with someone that has big pores that don't know how to explain it? But the skin, it's not bad, but it has some things like to shimo on the I can say small holes on the skin. That is what we call large pores. So if you use this my scrub, it will also remove that and treat all your skin problems without wasting money. Just take your time. Don't rush your skin. Take your skin slowly until you get the desired what? Skin that you want, the glowing skin, the whatever skin that you want. So guys, I normally share with you my skincare routine so that you don't say Scarla is always glowing and does not share with her. So guys, you see this scrub of mine, it will make you glow, lighten up. If you have the skin tone, as now we are in the season of summer, somewhere winter, but if you normally stay mostly outside, you might have even suntan. This is the best way. After that, don't scrub your skin too much. After that, you might leave that scrub like that for some minutes. Then we are going to wash off and see if it has lightened me a bit. But don't say that you are going to use it once and then you come into the comment section telling me it didn't work for me, it didn't, I don't know, do what. If you want it to work for you, you must do it regularly. For those who have whiteheads, for those who have blackheads, for those who have dark spot, pimples, this is the best way to treat your skin. So as I was saying, if you want your skin to glow, don't do something once or you're told that someone might tell you green tea works miracle for your skin. Then you go buy green tea. Then once, you use it once. Then after that, you come complaining. It didn't work for me. Skincare needs to be done regularly, you use it as your skincare routine. You might change your skincare routine, but it's a bit so that you can see whatever you are told if it works. You might take it, some people, it depends with your skin. Some people it might take 2 days. Someone will use it once and it will work. Another one will use it for a week and it will work. Another one will use it even for a month for it to show a change. For example, there are things that needs to be done for a quite long time so that it can work for you. One of the things that I know it takes time to work, it's the dark spot. Maybe you had pimples earlier, then the pimples cleared and left dark spot. That dark spot need to be worked on daily, on a daily basis. Daily, I mean this. You are not going to scrub daily. You are not going to what am I saying? You are not going to use a scrub daily, because if you use a scrub daily to damage your skin. As for me, I normally scrub once a week. So for you to alternate the scrub with something else so that you can not use it for a long time, you can use a natural bleach to lighten up that part, that the dark spot part. So how are you going to alternate it? You are going to use either, you can scrub on, let's say for example, once a week. Then on those other days you can use a tomato, or if you use a tomato today, you can use a lemon tomorrow to cleanse your skin. In that way, your dark spot will start lightening. In that tomato, you can add honey. In that your lemon, you can also add turmeric. In that way, without no time, your dark spot will clear. This is just a free advice for you. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below so that you can be recommended to as many viewers as possible. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll never miss any of my fantastic video about natural skincare that you'll never use a lot of money to work on that. That's our natural ingredients, simple home remedies that will make your skin glow. So guys, I've just washed my face, and as you can see, just look at it. I also scrubbed here. You see? Just look at me and tell me if it's not worth a try. So after that, without messing around, just, I'm a talkative, and I like skincare. That's why I talk a lot, giving advice a lot. So you'll have to bear with me. So after that, imagine I normally use Vaseline on my face. After that, I normally just use Vaseline. But I can say this. If you want to use Vaseline on your face, wash your face twice a day. In the morning and in the evening before you retire to bed. Don't wash your face let's say once a day. You apply Vaseline, then you leave it. It will damage your skin. Let me tell you the truth. Because it's a oil, not a cream. So it will pile up the dust from outside, let's say dirt from even the sweat. If they stay there for 24 hours, my friend, your skin will damage. And you'll come saying, oh, I don't know what. So guys, if you want to use Vaseline on your skin, you have to be active. Active, I mean, washing your face twice a day. Consider it in the morning and in the evening. So guys, I normally use Vaseline because it also helps me not to have dark circles. Because after applying Vaseline, I normally do a simple massage on my face. Yes, a simple massage like that. So that also I cannot have wrinkles, fine lines around here. You can do this simple massage, and also it will also help in fighting wrinkles and aging early. Thank you for watching my video. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. And if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Until we meet again, bye.